Welcome back. This is continuing section 3.2, part 2. And we already did the elimination method using a rather straightforward problem. We're adding the two, immediately eliminated one of the variables, but now we're moving on to the next problem. And in this one, we notice that neither of these, when we add them together right off the bat, is going to cancel out. So we're going to have to do a few little manipulations here. I'm going to go ahead and choose to eliminate my y values. So that means that I need to multiply each of these by some value in order so that when I add them together, they're going to cancel out. So the first one, I'm going to go ahead and multiply this whole thing by 9, and the bottom part I'm going to multiply by 5. The reason I'm doing this is because 9 times 5 is 45y, and 5 times negative 9 is negative 45y. So I know that if I carry this operation through the entire equation, the whole system of equations, and add them together, my y values will drop out. It's just going to take a little bit more time. So I'm going to multiply on both sides here. That leaves me with 63x plus 45y equals 18. Then this is the distributive property where we actually multiply our number times every single value in that equation. And then we also have 40x minus 45y equal to, and I'm going to go over here and just crank this through real quick, 85. Now I can add these together. Those drop out, and I'm left with 103x equals, what do you know? 103. So x equals 1. That was a lot of work for that, right? We're going to take that x equals 1, plug it back into my one of my original equations, and this should be pretty straightforward from here on out. I have 7 times 1 plus 5y equal to 2. That's the same thing as, of course, 7 plus 5y equals 2. So I'm just going to jump ahead right here, subtract 7 out. 5y equals negative 5, and y equals negative 1. So my solution as an ordered pair is 1, negative 1. If you want to double check it, let's go back here. 7 times 1 is 7, minus 5, because 5 times negative 1 equals 2. Yep, that checks out. My 8 times positive 1 is 8, minus 9 times the negative 1 is plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. That checks out as well.